You know who's usually in the worst pain? It's the people who are cracking their back 15 to 20 times a day. You overmobilize the joints, the muscles tighten up as a protective mechanism, and it creates this pattern that is hard to break. Now, is there a time and a place to manipulate joints? Absolutely. When they're stuck, they're fixated in certain circumstances, it gives great relief. But on a regular daily basis or things that you can do on your own, I typically recommend some controlled mobility or this exercise right here, where you can activate different parts of the pelvic muscles and hip muscles to naturally balance things out in a controlled way. Give it a shot.
Staying alive, staying alive. Feel the city.